Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting topic that's close to everyone's heart: building wealth. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the 6 simplest ways to build your wealth. Way 1: Budgeting Basics. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with the foundation of financial success: budgeting. What's a budget, you ask? It's like a roadmap for your money. Imagine having control over where your hard-earned cash goes each month. That's the magic of budgeting. Ever heard of the 50/30/20 rule? It's a game changer. 50% of your income goes to needs like housing and groceries, 30% to wants, hello, Netflix, and 20% straight into your savings account. Practical, right? Now, to make things easier, consider using budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget. They're like financial wizards that help you stay on top of your game. And hey, speaking from experience, budgeting turned my financial life around. Way 2: Smart saving strategies. Emergency fund, compound interest. Ever heard of these game changers? They're like financial superheroes here to rescue you. Let's dive in. First up, the emergency fund. Life's full of surprises, right? That's why having a stash of cash for unexpected expenses is crucial. Medical emergency? Car breakdown? Your emergency fund's got your back. Now, compound interest, the silent hero of wealth building. It's like planting a money seed that grows into a money tree. Start early and watch your savings flourish. To make your money work for you, consider high-yield savings accounts or user-friendly investment apps like Acorns or Robinhood. And here's a pro tip: set up automatic transfers for stress-free saving. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 3: Strategic investments. Alright, time to talk about making your money hustle for you. Welcome to the world of investments. Long-term investing is the name of the game. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, these are your players. Diversification? That's your winning strategy to manage risk. Consider dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly. Reinvest those dividends for compound growth. Simple, right? And remember, every investor has a story. Learn from both successes and challenges. Way 4: Debt management. Now, let's tackle the financial hurdle that holds many back: debt. But fear not, we've got strategies to overcome it. Priority number 1: high-interest debts. Knock those out first to save big on interest payments. It's like freeing up money you didn't even know you had. Consider debt consolidation. It's like bundling your debts into one manageable package. And don't shy away from negotiating lower interest rates, your wallet will thank you. Building good credit is key. Use credit cards responsibly. It's not about avoiding credit, it's about using it wisely. And trust me, I've been there. Successfully managing and reducing debt is a game changer. Way 5: Continuous learning and skill development. In the world of wealth building, education and skills are your secret weapons. Let's unpack that. Education isn't just about degrees, it's about unlocking earning potential. Invest in yourself, take courses, get certifications, attend workshops. Stay informed about financial markets and trends. Knowledge is power, and in the financial game, it's your ticket to making informed decisions. I can vouch for this personally. Continuous learning transformed my career and income. The more you know, the more you grow. Way 6: Entrepreneurship and side hustles. Now, let's talk about creating additional income streams. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur. Ever dreamt of having more than one income stream? Entrepreneurship and side hustles are your answer. They're like financial boosters for your wallet. Whether it's freelancing your skills or selling handmade goods online, there are plenty of low-cost startup ideas. The key is to start small and scale up. I've seen ordinary folks turn their side hustles into substantial income. The possibilities are endless, and success stories are proof that it's never too late to start. And there you have it, the 6 simplest ways to build your wealth. From budgeting basics to entrepreneurship, it's all about taking control of your financial journey. Recap: budget wisely, save smartly, invest strategically, manage debt responsibly, invest in yourself, and explore entrepreneurship. It's a journey, not a sprint. Now, here's your call to action. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with someone you care about.